Today's video is all about the worst thrift shop haul ever. No, I'm sorry for the hyperbole. I hate it when YouTube titles are like the worst or all this drama. The reason I'm saying it was the worst is because I think I found more stuff that I'm going to wind up keeping than I'm going to wind up actually selling. Didn't really plan on doing a video today because I had no high hopes. But I did make a quick run to our local Goodwill, and because it's Sunday, all of the green tag items are only 99 cents. And usually I don't have a lot of good luck on those days because they're already wiped out. So I did find quite a few really cute things. The problem is, like I said, they're all probably for me. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're a repeat customer, welcome back. My name is Angie, and my channel is all about life improvement. And here lately, I've been doing a lot of Poshmark videos because it's my new hobby, selling things on Poshmark. I am Doodle Turtle at Poshmark, so I'd love it if you'd come follow me over there. I'll drop a link below. But let's get into this. So, while I was standing in line, I found Mr. Joe Camel. I was just waiting in line and I was kind of looking at the accessories bin. Joe Camel, probably from the 90s, judging by the almost tie-dye going on with it. I did not notice until right now that it does have some black marks on it. I don't know. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, that might come off because it just smeared. It's got the snapback. The inside looks really good. So, real quick, I looked at this. I'll probably put on Mercari. I'll put my Mercari link below. Complete random impulse buy. Like I said, I'll see if I can get whatever that is off because it just rubbed on my finger. Ew. Okay, item number 2 that I found today. For those of you that don't know, my full-time job is I am a gym owner and a nutrition coach. And in general, I don't like these Nike running shorts for working out in because I have thighs. I mean, like, I don't have big thighs, but my thighs are muscular, and the built-in underwear just TMI. Anywho, I do like them though on days when I'm not actually working out and I'm just coaching and walking around. So I found these today. They were not on sale. Green is my favorite color. They're my size. And when I looked up comps, Nike shorts don't really seem to go for very much. So I might list them and just kind of see what happens, but that's one of those things I also might just keep it and they be mine. Didn't see anything wrong with them either. Okay, so the next item is legitimately mine. So like I said, I'm a gym owner, and a lot of time in the summer, I wear like the compression shorts, and they're fine at the gym, but if I need to run out and run errands, I look kind of like a moron. Like I'm almost walking around in a bathing suit. So I've had my eye on these Hollister skirts for like 2 summers. I've wanted one or two so I can just like throw them on and go run errands. And there's a boatload of them on Poshmark, but I'm a cheapskate. And even though they're well priced, by the time you add in shipping and tax, I just don't want to pay like $12 or $13 for a Hollister skirt. Sorry. But I found this today, green tag, so it was 99 cents. This is not my size, but I'm going to make it work anyway. If you have one of these for sale in your Poshmark closet, if you have more than one for sale, I wouldn't mind bundling a couple and getting a couple more, maybe getting one in my size versus one that's a little bit too big. Let me know down below or tag me on Poshmark if you've got a couple of these. I'd really prefer a small. This is a large. Moving on. This is not for me. This is a Talbot's. It's like a sweatshirt material, so it's kind of a pullover, but it's made more like a tunic. And it's got the little split side. And I don't know, it just caught my eye. I thought it was really pretty. It's a small, and I don't buy a lot of Talbots because I don't wear a lot of Talbot. I may not even be saying that right. Talbot. Anywho, I thought this was pretty. I am going to list it for sale. But it's another one of those things where when fall rolls back around, if it's still here, it might be mine. This item is not for me, but I just really thought it was cute. It's a brand that I've not heard of. You know, it probably came from the mall. Bebop. It's an extra large, but it was new with tags. Bebop. Be you, be free, says the tag. And it retailed for $39. So it's just got kind of a cute print. So it's got tank top, dress, with the exposed zipper in the back. Like I said, I just thought it was really cute. It's really fun. It looks like a great summer piece to put on, and it's brand new. I didn't pay a lot for it, so I'm going to list it, you know, fairly reasonably, you know, fairly cheap. It was $39 new. So I just think this is going to be really cute for somebody this summer. Probably try to get that up today or tomorrow. If you're interested in it, drop your Poshmark closet below. Alright, this is completely random. I don't know why I bought it. Well, I do know why I bought it. Because it's pretty. I don't look good in yellow, but I love the idea of yellow. This is a Gianni beanie formal dress, size 6. So it's got, I thought this was pretty cool. It's got a built-in bra. And you can, like, fasten the built-in bra to tighten it up. I hadn't even showed you the dress, and I'm showing you the cool built-in bra. It's got elastic at the top. It's got the boning right here with the ruching. And it's got the en-pierre waist. And then it's just a pretty long dress. So it's kind of like a cool, casual, not trying too hard prom dress. And I just thought it was pretty. It caught my eye. No major flaws that I've seen. There are a couple little bitty marks at the hem where, you know, somebody was wearing it and they probably kicked it with their shoe or they kind of stepped on it. There are a couple of loose threads, like right here. But actually, I lied. That's not a loose thread. That's where you can attach a strap if you want to. Yeah, because it's got a matching set. So this probably had straps at some point in time, but they're now missing, so I'll just disclose that. But guys, I got this for a great price, so I'm going to list it really cheap. I'm going to give somebody a great deal on a prom dress. I'll steam it, and I think it's just so pretty. It's like, I want to be Belle. I'm married to the beast, so why not be Belle? And it's just pretty. Y'all gonna straight up see me walking through Kroger in this, let's be real. Alright. Okay, this next thing, again, the theme today is I bought it for me. Last summer, I decided I wanted to up my pajama game. Like, I'm a grown-ass woman. If I want to sleep in t-shirts and boxer shorts, that's fine. But, you know, it's okay to step it up and try to be cute. You know, my husband and I have been married for almost 25 years. He loves me even when I look like a troll, but he appreciates it when I make an effort to not look like a troll. So, I bought this cute little nightgown. It's very girly. And I'm always cold, so let's be real, I'm probably going to freeze to death. But at my Goodwill, the nightgowns and whatnot are only $1.99. So I paid $1.99 for this, and I thought it was cute. And a few weeks ago, I picked up a silky robe that will go really well with this. So, all right, next thing, not for me. I love this. I wish it was my size. It is so adorable. If you love Torrid, hold your horses. New with tags. Torrid bodysuit in like this awesome hot pink color. So it's got the lace up front, lacy detail, bodysuit. Is that not awesome? So, I can't even say too much about that. I just think that's so cute. It's a size 5. Retails for $46.90. And again, I'm probably going to try to get that listed today also. But this caught my eye immediately because I was like, ooh, what is that? So somebody's going to be pretty happy about that. Okay, last thing. Falls into the might be mine category. Years ago, I bought a leather belt. And by years ago, I mean 15 years ago, brown leather belt, maybe 20. Yeah, maybe 20. I still have it. It's great. I still wear it all the time. I don't need another leather belt. But I came across, found this one, again, right beside the Joe Camel hat. It is an Abercrombie & Fitch new with tags leather belt. $59.99 was the original price on this. I don't need another leather belt, but this is so pretty. And it's just sweet. Very substantial. So it's all, there's probably something wrong with it, you know, with my luck. But I'm probably going to list this, and it's a small, I don't know if I said that. I'm probably going to list it, and then the next time I need to wear jeans with a belt, yeah, it might come out of my Poshmark closet and come into my personal closet. So, like I said, I'm tempted to label this the worst thrift shop haul ever, because I'm not supposed to be buying crap for myself. That's not the point here, but darned if I didn't do a lot of that today. So, I'm glad you stuck around with me to the end. If you enjoyed this video and you like watching thrift haul videos, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribe. I'm going to be putting up a new video soon. How to give buyers a discount on your item without offering a shipping discount. Did you know that's a thing? A lot of people don't know that. So I'm going to be putting that video up pretty soon. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which will be here or here. I don't know where it'll be. So hope you guys have a great day. Happy thrifting. Happy poshing. See you guys later. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me?